Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is Ikim Rosales. So for today's video, we're going to make another channel review, or we're going to make a review on how much Bugoy Drilon earned on his YouTube channel. Big shout out to Bugoy Drilon. And I was in his live streaming 2 days ago, and he is doing a live stream. He is singing in there, and there's a lot of super chat and super sticker sending to his live stream. So as you can see, Bugoy Drilon have a 17 upload video with 462,000 subscribers with a total video views of 26,085,025. Country is not stated, and channel type is more on music because he is a singer here in the Philippines. And user created May 28, 2014. I guess it's more than 5 years or 6 years. And total grade in a social blade is letter B. Social blade rank is 106,363, and subscriber rank is 55,531. Video views rank is 193,097. There's no rank for country because it's invisible, guys, and it was not stated there. And music rank is 8,071. So as you can see, his subscriber for the last 30 days is 19,000 subscriber. Mataas siya ng 26.7%, and the estimated earning monthly is so high, guys. And estimated monthly earnings is 475 US dollars to 7,600 US dollars. And video views for the last 30 days is 1.8 million something. Mataas siya ng 16.5% compared to the last month ang kanyang video views. And then total subscriber weekly, so the graph is working good, and estimated yearly earnings is 5,700 US dollars to 91,100 US dollars. So i-compute natin kung magkano yung 475 US dollars times 48. Ayan, 48 because that is the exchange rate here in the Philippines right now. And ayun, yun yung pinakang minimum niya, 475 US dollars to 7,600 US dollars. So 475 US dollars times 48 is equals to 22,800 pesos. So that is yung minimum lang, guys, pero yung maximum niya is 7,600 US dollars times 48. So he got 364,800 pesos. So that is only for estimated monthly earnings of Bugoy Drilon. Big shout out to Bugoy Drilon, a celebrity here in the Philippines and a good singer. So tapos na tayo sa kanyang monthly estimated earnings, na compute na natin. So meron pa siyang 5,700 US dollars times 48 dun sa kanyang estimated earnings yearly. So ito yung pinakang minimum. So 5,700 US dollars times 48, he got 273,600 pesos. It's a huge amount of money, guys. So that is the minimum for yearly estimated earnings. So meron siyang 91,200 US dollars times 48. So yung kanyang estimated na yearly earnings na maximum is 4,377,600 pesos. So diba, ang laki, guys. And nung nakita ko yung kanyang live streaming 2 days ago, lumilipad doon yung $100, $50, $20, and parang isang live streaming niya kumita siya ng more than 30,000. So nandito tayo sa kanyang YouTube summary. So kung makikita niyo dyan yung kanyang estimated earnings, video views, subscriber na nadagdag or nag-subscribe sa kanyang YouTube channel. So ang estimated earnings niya $15 to 240 US dollars, $16 to 251 US dollars, $15 to 243 US dollars. And then the video views is malalaki din, guys, and may nag-subscribe sa kanya ng 1,000, 2,000, 1,000. So bawat araw marami siyang nakukuhang subscriber, or maraming nagsusubscribe sa kanyang channel kasi nare-recognize na at nakikilala na yung kanyang channel, though hindi naman siya masyadong active kasi yung channel niya was created 2014. So ayun, so dahil busy na rin siya, kaya ayan, yun yung reason siguro kung bakit madalang siya mag-upload ng kanyang video. And he is doing a live streaming also, guys, and I hope you subscribe to his channel and watch him and attend to his live stream. So nandito tayo sa daily average. So meron siyang 634 na nag-subscribe sa kanyang channel, and ang kanyang video views is 63,312 and $16 to 253 estimated earnings. That is only for one day. And then weekly average is 4,400 something subscribers with 443,184 video views, and the estimated earnings is $111 to $1,800. So that is for weekly, guys, and malaki yung kanyang estimated earnings. If you're going to divide it, ayan, yun na yung pinakang malinaw. I-divide natin sa 2, yung pinakang malinaw. Kasi ang source ng mga video views natin is hindi lang sa Pilipinas, though majority is here in the Philippines. Pero ding may nanonood rin na nasa abroad sa mga USA, Australia, Canada, and the rest, Hong Kong, Japan, Taiwan. So ang kanyang last 30 days, meron siyang nag-gain na 19,000 subscribers, or may nag-subscribe na 19,000 subscribers sa kanyang YouTube channel. And then ang estimate, ang kanyang video views is 1,899,360. And then ang kanyang estimated earnings or monthly is $475 US dollars to $7,600 US dollars. So that's, wow, it's a huge amount of money, guys, and if you're going to convert it into peso, it's really huge. And yeah, big shout out to Bugoy Drilon. Don't forget to subscribe to his YouTube channel, and of course to my YouTube channel, Ikem Rasalas. And I hope this video inspire others, YouTuber or not YouTuber, and for those who are planning to create YouTube channel, ayun, I hope you inspire. Ayun, kasi I made this video to inspire others, and who knows, one day we will be like Bugoy Drilon and the other big YouTuber here in YouTube industry. So kung makikita niyo yung kanyang video views, meron siyang 1.8, 1.7, 1.4 and 1.2, 1.1. So matataas na din, so almost million or more than a million yung kanyang video views, and maganda rin yung kanyang activity ng kanyang YouTube channel. Same with the subscriber of Bugoy Drilon. So meron siya naging na 18,000 subscribers last January, and then 15,000 subscriber for the last year, December. Ayan, big shout out to Bugoy Drilon, and I hope you inspired to his YouTube channel. I'm going to flash the super chat that he gained in his previous or his recent live stream. And ayun, don't forget to subscribe to his YouTube channel, Bugoy Drilon, a singer here in the Philippines. And don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel also, Ikem Rasalas. Thank you for watching, and see you on my next vlog. Keep safe everyone, and bye bye.